Hey guys, I'm Radishan here and welcome to my new video. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and like this video just like you smashing your crush, and don't skip this video. If you skip this video, you will have bad luck for the next 5 years. I'm just kidding. Don't skip this video, I won't waste your time, okay? Let's move on to the video.
So guys, let's start. Search for system configuration. Click that. Then click the boot tab and select save boot. Then click OK. Then you have to restart now. Click restart.
A few moments later.
Now we are in safe mode. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.